This one strategy that I'm about to give you is going to help you reach an entirely new customer base in literally just a matter of minutes. Actually, it's going to help you reach multiple customer bases, and it's extremely simple to do. That's marketing your dropshipping products to multiple languages. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it actually is. Okay, so in 2026, the real advantage is volume and speed and the ability to test on the fly. You should be testing multiple hooks, multiple angles, and now multiple languages. Different demographics of people and different countries all respond differently. And instead of having to hire multiple creators and some things getting lost in translation, we're just going to let AI do all of the heavy lifting for us. And we also need to remember one thing. In countries like the United States, where most people dropship to, there's many different cultures who don't all speak English or would simply just love to see an ad in their native language. If you're trying to build a real dropshipping business this year and actually make some real money, make sure that you're using AutoDS, because honestly, this is what's going to handle your products, your store, and your automation once your ads actually start working and targeting the right people. I'll leave a link down below for the $1 trial. So now let's actually start to build this. All right, now, before we even start to touch ChatGPT, which is what we're going to be using to translate our ads, we need one thing, and that is clarity, because AI is only as good as what you give it. So here's what we need. What's the product? Who is the product for? What problem does it solve? What's the main benefit? And what's the hook? So let's say we're selling something like a posture corrector. The audience is going to be people that are working at a desk. The problem is going to be back pain and bad posture. And the benefit? Instant support and better posture. Hook? I didn't even realize how bad my posture was until I tried this. And that's enough to build a solid ad to start. All right, now let's dive into ChatGPT and I'm going to show you exactly what we need to type. All right, so we're going to keep things simple. Pretty much what I'm telling it is to write me a 12-second UGC style ad script for a posture corrector. Target audience is people who work long hours at a desk and have back pain and the rest of the information that I told you earlier. You want to read the whole prompt? It's this right here. Just make sure to pause and read it. Now, what this is going to do is give you a solid base script. But here's where a lot of people start to mess up because honestly, they start to get lazy. They stop there. Don't do that. All right, so this is what it gives me. Bro, why does my back feel like I'm 80 after sitting all day? I can relate to that. I'm at a desk for hours and my posture was trash until I tried this. It literally pulls your shoulders back and takes the pressure off instantly. If you sit a lot, you need this. Grab one now. I dig it. I like it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and ask it to give us 5 different hook variations for the ad. So why does this sitting all day hurt more than the gym? If your back hurts right now, this is why. This is really good because it addresses the pain point right from the beginning. I thought my back pain was normal. It's not. That's actually something that's very relatable. Sitting all day is literally destroying your posture. Be honest, how bad is your posture right now? I like this one too. But either way, now we have 5 pretty strong hooks. Now you have multiple angles from one single product. And this is huge because now we're not testing just one ad. We're testing multiple variations. All right, now let's turn this into multiple languages. So everything's going to just start compounding upon each other. But listen, don't just translate literally word for word. That's how you get weird sounding ads and things that really just don't sound natural. What we want is to feel native. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tell ChatGPT to make a full script for each hook. And now this is where things really start to get interesting and a lot more fun. We're going to tell it to translate these scripts into Mexican Spanish, make it sound natural for a TikTok ad, and keep it simple and conversational. So now we're going to have 5 more hooks in Spanish, in particular in the way that they would talk in, let's say, Mexico. So hook, why does sitting all day hurt more than gym? Please pardon my Spanish because when I read in Spanish, it's not as fluent as when I speak in Spanish. ¿Por qué estar sentado todo el día duele más que ir al gym? Yo paso horas en la compu y ya me dolía la espalda horrible. Empecé a usar este corrector de postura. Okay, and we're going to leave it there because I don't know how many of you are actually understanding me. I just want to kind of show off my Spanish here. But here we have 5 different ones. And honestly, as I'm reading them through, they do sound pretty good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do it again, but for Brazilian Portuguese. And while it's typing, we're going to do it one more time. And we're going to tell it to rewrite for a German audience and keep it short and natural. Now we went from 1 hook to 5 to 20. So we have 5 English, 5 Portuguese, 5 Spanish, 5 German. Now, instead of one ad, you have multiple ad versions that actually sound like they belong in each country or like they're being presented by somebody who knows the language. That's the difference between ads that flop and ads that convert. Now, here's where things really start to get powerful. Once you have one script, you can create different hooks. You can have different avatars. You can have different tones and different languages and so on. So now instead of waiting days for content, and again, maybe having a few things get lost in translation, you can generate multiple ads like this. And this is how you actually find winners and your winning target audience. All right, so now we're going to take the actual script that we generated and we're going to create it into an actual ad. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Create UGC. We're going to go ahead and log in. And once we're inside, we're going to go ahead and create a new video. Now, from here, we're going to go ahead and take the product link, which, by the way, if you haven't gotten one, you can go to AliExpress, you can go through AutoDS or wherever it is that you find your suppliers, and you can take your product link and post it in here. So for this example, I'm going to be getting this posture corrector over here. I'm going to go ahead and paste the link, and then I'm going to choose the product in hand. So go ahead and continue. Now, when we get to this part, we're going to go ahead and just verify the information is accurate. We have a product name, the description, and we're going to choose a reference image. So I want to choose this one over here. Go ahead and click on next. We're going to go ahead and change our video settings. If you want to change any of this, you can. I like to just simply go from 8 to 15 seconds and then click on next. And now we can choose our different avatars. Now, the cool thing about this is that this actually falls perfectly in line with what we're doing. We're making different ads in different languages. So picking somebody of a different ethnicity fits in perfectly. So let's go ahead and check out the ethnicity portion over here. Let's go to Hispanic or Latino, and let's choose this dude right here. Actually, this guy, because he looks a little bit active. Now we're going to go ahead and click on next. And now this is the part where we add our script. So we're going to go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to take one of my Spanish scripts. I'm going to take the first one that I was reading. So I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to take my script, copy it, I'm going to paste, and then I'm going to next. Now just go ahead and generate. And in about a minute, we're going to have a video like this. And to give you another preview, this is the one in Portuguese, and this is the one in German. And this is the one in English. Now, one more thing that most people just skip, just because you translated the ad doesn't mean it's fully optimized. You do still want to adjust different things. You want to adjust things like, let's say, the captions. You want to adjust the on-screen text, the pricing, the tone, and even the benefits that you highlight, because different markets are going to care about different things. And an easy way to get a better understanding of these markets is just to ask ChatGPT or Google Gemini. And this is what separates average ads from winning ads, or from unique ads, or from a growing and scaling global dropshipping business. Once your ads do start working, this is where AutoDS really starts to kick in, because you're going to be able to, for one, import the product. You can also be able to build your store. You're going to be able to optimize your product pages and automate all of your order fulfillment. So you're not manually handling orders while you're trying to scale. Now, really quick, let me just leave you with a few different mistakes that you should really avoid, because these are a few common mistakes. So for one, like I said earlier, don't translate word for word. Also, don't make scripts too long. Remember, we're using AI, so a lot of the times we're limited between 10 to 15 seconds. Don't make them sound robotic. That's why we want to run it through ChatGPT and let it know that we want it to sound native, close to the way that people speak it in that language. And don't ignore different audiences. The whole point is speed and variations. Now, if you use this properly, you can test multiple ads in multiple markets faster than literally almost anyone else. And that's a huge and real advantage. Now, if you did make it this far, I do have a surprise for you. If you want these videos that I just generated, I'm going to give them to you for completely free. Just let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you leave the hashtag AI Dropshipping and let me know what you took away from this video. Also, you do need to make sure that you're subscribed and that you have liked this video. Go ahead and do that, and I'll reply back with a link to these different videos that you can download. And if you want to learn how to build your dropshipping store from scratch in literally just 5 minutes, so that way you can build multiple in multiple languages, check out this video right here.